Welcome back. This is Swayam from Askmefunnels membership area, and in this video, we are gonna talk about the Facebook advertisement headlines, why these are so much important, and how our swipe file of Facebook ads headline is going to help you out. All right. So, guys, as you know, Facebook is the most important marketing platform for whatever kind of business niche you are into. Facebook ads are going to help you to increase your traffic, to increase your leads, to increase your sales and conversions. All right. So the most important thing is that if you are creating a Facebook advertisement, your message should be very clear. You should be able to grab the attention of the people. All right. A lot of marketers are doing a huge mistakes in the Facebook advertisements, and at last they says that Facebook ads are not converting, which is a very wrong statements by them. All right. So after spending around $100,000 for our Facebook advertisements, and after serving 100 plus clients for the Facebook advertisements, we have compiled the most converting Facebook advertisements headlines for you guys. All right. So no matter what, if whatever kind of the membership you have of the Ask Me Funnels, either free, pro, or VIP, you would be able to access these swipe file for free, and you can use on your Facebook ad copies and make them work by grabbing attention of your audience. All right. With around 1.13 billion daily active users engaging on the Facebook platform, Facebook has become an obvious options for marketers looking to explore the benefits of targeted ad creations. All right. And while Facebook targeting options make it easier for you to get your ads in front of the people you really care about. Alright, so it's ultimately up to you to do the convincing. To do that, you will need to pay close attention to the details which you are going to provide in your Facebook ad copy. Ad copy is basically a most important factor when you are creating the advertisements on Facebook. Ad copy is nothing. Basically, we use the ad copy as a terminology to cover up the different elements available inside the Facebook advertisements. All right. So, if you look at the ad espresso and anatomy of a Facebook ads diagram, the headline may seem like a tiny piece of the puzzle, but that could not be further from the truth. All right. So, what happens, the meaning of the statement is that if you are going to explore different kind of advertisements, we since in the previous videos we have also shared a 100 plus e-com product at Facebook and Instagram advertisement swipe files, and you can monitor those advertisements, and you will get a one common thing is that there is a attention grabber headlines. All right. So basically we have compiled them, and during the compilation we have found that there are basically five elements which we can use to write a better Facebook ads headlines. All right. So we are sharing that basic five elements to create a better and convertible Facebook advertisements. All right. So first element is ask a question. All right. Ask a question meaning is that a headline in your ad copy in the form of a question is a great way to grab a Facebook user's attention and draw them in to get the answers. All right. So meaning, if you have a Facebook advertisements and you are asking a question to your audience, and the people you are targeting getting attraction to that headlines, it's a 90% chances that they will get engaged with your Facebook advertisements. All right. So for example, if I am looking, you want to target the people for real estate industry, you can mention in your headline that something like that, dreaming of the perfect house. All right, a tagline is that dreaming of the perfect house, question mark. Why? Because these headlines is showing creating a question mark in the people mind who are already looking for the perfect dream house of their life. All right. So this headlines, this question based headlines is basically grabbing the attention of your target audience, and you would be able to get more and more engagement on your Facebook advertisements, and as a result you may get more leads for your real estate business. All right. So this is the first element, and second element you would be get a give a command. All right, a second element of the Facebook advertisements is a kind of ad copies in which you give a command to your audience. All right, so when crafting an effective Facebook ad headlines, starting by the communicating the command or action you want people to take up front. All right, so what happens that let's say I am the you want to target the people who are looking for the perfect mattress, right? So you are looking for the people who are interested in the perfect mattress. All right, so what I am doing is I want to convey my message that hey, you get the perfect mattress over here. All right, so this is basically a command line, a command headline which asks your audience, hey, you can get the perfect mattress here, and the learn more button in your Facebook advertisements. All right, so what happens is in this kind of the headlines you are giving a command to your audience, and you can asking them please click here if you want to get your perfect mattress. All right, so this is the second element of how you can use headlines in your Facebook advertisements. All right, so the third element you can use in your Facebook advertisement is list all the benefits your product or your services can provide to your audience. All right. So another strong technique for Facebook ad headlines is showing users how your offer is going to benefit them. If you have been reading our blog for some time now, that is askmeshout.com, and if you reading all the posts we have available for the Ask Me Funnels membership area, you know that the always be closing sales era has given away. All right, so right now the era is always be helping. In other words, I want to say that if you are going to provide a huge value to your audience, you would be able to close more sales. All right, so let's say I am going to promote the Slack application platform. All right, so what happens that if I am going to list all the benefits of the Slack, what actually Slack application can do, mostly what happens that now the people who are into the entrepreneurship in their business or the managing position, what they will do is they will get to view all the benefits of the Slack, and at last since my headlines would be something like make work management better with Slack. All right, so my headlines is make work management better with Slack, and after that attention grabbing headline I have listed all the benefits of the Slack applications. All right, so in this way you would be able to grab more and more conversions and more application signups. All right, so these are the basically three elements I have told you about so far. So first one is you may ask a question in your Facebook advertisements, you may give a command to your audience, you may list a benefit in your Facebook advertisements. All right, so uh, the another element for your Facebook advertisements can be the another Facebook advertisement can be a kind of the people to inspire or to trigger their curiosity in their mind. All right, so social media platforms and print newspaper are the basically full of headlines. All right, so what happens that you grab a newspaper and you started reading the headlines. Why? Because the headlines is the attention grabbers. All right, the headlines make a curiosity in their audience mind. All right, so let's say I am promoting my Ask Me Funnels membership area, and I have a attention grabber line which says that brand new sales funnel template will transform the way you sell. All right, so this is my attention grabbing headlines. A brand new sales funnel template will transform the way you sell. All right, so why? Because these headlines will trigger a curiosity in my audience, and they will yeah, 90% of them will surely want to know how they can how a one sales funnel can really increase their sales and the way they are selling right now. All right, so this is basically a curiosity kind of the headlines, and you would be able to, if you are able to create the curiosity in your audience brain, you would be able to generate more and more leads and overall sales for your business. All right, so fifth and last element of your advertisements can be a leveraging list type. All right, so basically in these kind of the list, people love list, all right, so people love list, and Mm, and a popular content medium providing blogs. All right, so you may have a look of the multiple blogs, or while you are doing the search on the Google, or even on your Facebook post, you may have get headlines that the 12 best way to acquire leads. All right, so something like that, a 12 best ways to acquire clients for your agency organically via Facebook. All right, so what happens that in these kind of the post, you are enlisting all the 12 methods to acquire the clients for your agency. All right, so this is basically a leverage list type headlines in which you grab attention of the people by saying them you have a 12 ways to grab the clients for your agency. All right, so basically it creates the curiosity in people's mind. They force them to we force them to create an engagement on our Facebook advertisements. All right, so once you feel like you have now understand all the five different elements which I have explained you briefly, and you would be able to get all the details in the mastering Facebook advertisement section to understand it more deeply, and all the live trainings I am going to cover in a few days. All right, so if you are able to understand the complete method which I have shared you right now, so I have added all the my swipe files of the high converting Facebook advertisements you can use for your Facebook ads. So what you need to do is just tap on the button down below over here, in click to download copy of high converting Facebook ads headlines, and you will be able to get a file which contains all the list of the headlines. All right, so it will help you to create more better advertisements from now onwards. All right, so I hope you have get the actual reason why the Facebook advertisements headlines are why these are so important. And if you guys have any kind of question, just check out the need support button available here in the right bottom section, and you would be able to get answers of all your query. Right, if you are not getting any query, just use this need support tab to contact me, and I would be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and in next video I'm going to show you how you can use the script for to acquire agency for your business or for your digital marketing agency using the LinkedIn. You can use these scripts to acquire new clients for agency, whatever the business niche you are into. All right, so we will cover that in our next video. And right now, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you are now able to understand why the Facebook advertisements are most important. And from now onwards, you would be able to create a better headline using our free Facebook ads headlines swipe file. Thanks for watching.